Hi, this is John Criswell. Welcome to Manufacturing Marvels. We live in an increasingly connected world with new electronic products introduced every day. To stay ahead of competitors, companies must be innovative and quick to market. So where do they turn for help assembling new product designs fast? Advanced Assembly. Based in Aurora, Colorado, Advanced Assembly specializes in assembling prototypes and low-volume PCB incredibly fast. High-quality PCB assembly is their only focus, which puts their services in high demand by engineers. The company's world-class manufacturing facility features state-of-the-art equipment capable of completing projects as fast as engineers need them, even the next day. Each order is verified using their proprietary Design for Assembly software. This alerts engineers of potential design errors before assembly begins, reducing delays and costly rework. Whether it's basic through-hole or ultra-fine pitch BGAs, Advanced Assembly handles it all. Engineers just email their files, and Advanced Assembly does the rest, ordering parts and boards, assembling the project, and shipping on time. They'll even build one or two boards at no additional cost for testing. Plus, their work is backed by the industry's only unconditional warranty. Advanced Assembly is an IPC member. Their facility is ISO certified, UL, SMTA, and DQS registered. They're also ITAR and RoHS compliant. Shorter product development cycles and faster time to market. Advanced Assembly helps make it happen. Get the details by visiting their website at aapcb.com. This is John Criswell for Manufacturing Marvels.